Skin benefits of aloe vera. Skin healing. Aloe vera gel is renowned for its ability to promote wound healing. It contains compounds that stimulate cell growth and repair damaged skin. It can be used to treat cuts, burns, sunburns, and various skin irritations. Moisturization. Aloe vera is an excellent natural moisturizer. It helps hydrate and nourish the skin, leaving it soft, supple, and well hydrated. It is suitable for all skin types, including dry and sensitive skin. Anti-inflammatory effects. Aloe vera has potent anti-inflammatory properties. It can help reduce inflammation associated with skin conditions such as acne, eczema, and psoriasis. Applying aloe vera topically can soothe redness, itching, and swelling. Sunburn relief. Aloe vera gel is often used to soothe sunburned skin. It provides a cooling sensation and helps to alleviate pain and redness caused by excessive sun exposure. It also aids in repairing damaged skin cells. Acne treatment. Aloe vera has antibacterial properties that can help combat acne-causing bacteria. Its anti-inflammatory effects reduce redness and swelling associated with acne. Regular use can promote clearer and healthier skin. Scar reduction. Aloe vera gel can minimize the appearance of scars and help fade blemishes. It aids in the regeneration of skin cells and improves the elasticity of the skin, reducing the visibility of scars over time. Moisturizing hair care. Aloe vera is beneficial for hair health as well. It acts as a natural conditioner that moisturizes and nourishes the hair, promoting shine and strength. It can also help reduce dandruff and soothe an itchy scalp. Digestive aid. Consuming aloe vera juice or gel can have digestive benefits. It can soothe and calm the digestive tract, alleviating symptoms of indigestion, heartburn, and acidity. Aloe vera can also support healthy digestion and regular bowel movements. Immune system support. Aloe vera contains antioxidants and vitamins that help boost the immune system. Regular consumption can strengthen the body's natural defenses and support overall immune health. Dental health. Aloe vera gel can be used as a natural mouthwash or toothpaste ingredient. It has antimicrobial properties that can help combat oral bacteria, reduce plaque formation, and promote healthy gums. Remember to use pure aloe vera gel or products from reputable sources, as some commercially available products may contain added ingredients that can diminish the benefits of aloe vera.